have to go fuck each other as well.
Oh, that's a nice ending to a concert. What's up, everyone? It's me, it's Coding Death, again here with another video today. Another reaction video to my little Ghost adventures. This time it's a request from one of the comments suggesting mummy dust. Particularly one from a live version. So I picked one with a pro shot. I think this is, I don't know what festivals is. I'll put it in the description. So they said it's one of the more heavier songs, so I'm eager to get into that. I got a lot more ghost stuff coming along as well, probably maybe later on this week. And some other suggestions that I noticed, I just haven't got to them because of work and stuff. Mainly work. Alright, but let's go ahead and get into it because I have not seen a live version yet. Alright, let's go.
Oh. Alright. Oh. Join us now then in Mummy Dust. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hey. Right into it. Now I can see why that person suggested this, because this is a lot heavier than the other songs. Digging it. I think there's some people have mentioned a few other songs, so I'll try to check those out this week. And I apologize if I'm like touching my face or whatever. It's like I have like severe anxiety, so I'm like, that's like, I don't know, what do you call it? That's what I do when it's very crazy. So I'll try to keep that. I'll try to remember to stop doing that. And it's also he's like distorting his voice, like none of the other songs. The other songs are more less strained, melodic in a way. But you know, I dig all versions, and I want it heavy, and this is pretty heavy. Voter Maximus. Voterix. That must be the festival. I'll double check. But yeah, this is the version of the lead singer that I've seen, like pictures and stuff. Dust. I don't know if this has lyrics. Maximus Festival, Buenos Aires. Oh, side note, sorry, I'm pausing this a lot. Someone also said that in the recording sessions, the lead singer Tobias uh, recorded a lot of the instrumentals. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what someone said, and I know if that's true, that's kind of crazy. It's kind of like what other band at least like I think it was like Smashing Pumpkins. I'm sure there's a lot of bands that do that, but like Smashing Pumpkins, I think Billy Corgan did like most of the drums, guitar, and bass in the recordings. So props to him, man. I'm just looking at his guitar. Oh, it's doing a solo on the freaking keyboard. That doesn't sound like a keyboard. Oh, yeah, his own setup right here too. Dang, okay. I forget what these. It was a keytar. Dang, that's lit though. It sounds like just like a guitar, but it's like more it's more I guess electronically amplified. Love it.
Sing it! Sing it!
I must say I love that riff, that dun 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 dun. There's always those particular kinds that go the hardest. You know, it's simple, but they always they always go the heaviest. Mommy does.
Muchas gracias por being here tonight. Thank you all. Have a pleasant rest of your evening here. Take care of each other. And do not forget that when you come home tonight, you have to go fuck each other as well.
Oh, that's a nice ending to a concert. um, I forget that they're from. Oh, I'm gonna get this wrong. They're from Sweden. Oh my God, I'm not even. I forget they're not from here. So his accent is I'm gonna say sexy. Can't hate. Um, Overall, I dig that it is one of the heavier ghost songs that I've heard. I think someone said there's more, so I'm gonna check those out too. This week, probably do another 45 videos this week on Ghost Alone because they have a crap ton of videos or songs that I've never ever heard of, um, as well as other bands and artists that I have on my list. Um, yeah, if you like this reaction, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos in the future. Um, I again, I'm digging everyone's comments and like giving like backstories and more information on uh this band, because some of y'all are like ghost experts, and so it's I appreciate it a lot, because I was going into this in the dark, so research on that. But I think asking questions, it's more interactive with people. Some people like it, other people like, why are you asking questions? Just look it up. But I like the interaction. Interacting, like doing this whole thing is helps with my, like I said, anxiety, and I have like severe depression, so it helps keep my mind off things. But that will do for this video. I'll catch y'all again. If not, we'll say Tuesday. If not, uh, Wednesday and Thursday, because I work nights, so it's all crazy. All right. Have a nice day or night. Crap.